Chapter 7, Work, Force and Energy. Book and Notebook Work. Now let me start the book exercise. Multiple choice question. A ball thrown upwards come back to the ground because of frictional force, muscular force, gravitational force. Answer is B, gravitational force. Question 2. This force slows down a moving ball. Frictional force, muscular force, gravitational force. The answer is A, frictional force. 3. To make work easy, we use a swing machine, time machine, yeah, or simple machine. So the answer is B, simple machine. Question 4. This is used to cut things. Pulley, lever, wedge. Answer is wedge. 5. The interior of Earth is very A. Cold, B. Hot, C. None of these. Answer is hot. Now next is a true false. Force is the ability to do work. It is false because energy is the ability to do work. 2. An apple falls on the ground due to gravitational force of the earth. It is true. 3. Simple machine make our work difficult. It is false because simple machine make our work easy. 4. To use the energy of water, we build dams. It is true. Now next come to the fill-ups. Dash force acts between two surfaces. दो surface के बीच में जो force act करता है, that is the frictional force. 2. Bottle opener is an example of dash. So it is the example of lever. 3rd, a dash is used to take out water from a well. So it is pulley. 4. Solar cell convert dash energy into electrical energy. So it is a solar energy. 5. Dash energy is the energy of the earth's hot interior. So this is the geothermal energy. Now next is the match the following. Column A and column B is given. 1. Machine to draw water on a well. So it is pulley. Match it with C option. 2. Bicycle. Match it with wheel and axle. 3. Scissors. Match it with lever. It is an example of a lever. 4. Slide. Match it with inclined plane because slide is an inclined plane. 5. X. So match it with wedge because X is an example of a wedge. Now next is the find the odd. 1. Pulling a door, lifting a bag, falling off an apple. So odd is falling off an apple. 2. Solar energy, frictional force, hydro energy. So the odd is the frictional force. 3. X, bottle opener, scissors. So the odd is the X. 4. Bicycle, X, knife. Here the odd is the bicycle. Now the last is the unscramble the following words. A. A is the pulley. B is the lever. C is energy. D screw. E wedge. F is force. Notebook work. Now first is the new words. 1. Gravitational force. 2. Muscular force. 3. Frictional force. 4. Resist. 5. Exert. 6. Lever. 7. Pulley. 8. Wedge. 9. Inclined plane. 10. Screw. 11. Axle. 12. Slanting. 13. Geothermal energy. 14. Hydro energy. 15. Renewable. 16. Electrical energy. Now the next is glossary. 1. Work, transfer of energy from one object to another. 2. Pulley, a simple machine with wheel and axle used to lift heavy object. 3. Screw, a nail having spiral groove cut in it. 4. Machine, a device that makes our work easier and faster. 5. Solar energy, energy obtained from sun. So next is the question answer. Question 1. What is force? What are its different types? Answer 1. Force is a pull or push applied on an object. Its types are gravitational force, muscular force, frictional force. फोर्स एक पुल या पुश है जो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे अप्लाई किया जाता है। अगर आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को धक्का दे रहे हो या अपनी तरफ खींच रहे हो, दोनों ही कंडीशन में दैट इज अ फोर्स। नाउ क्वेश्चन 2, what are simple machines and how do they help us? Machine that make our work easier and faster are known as simple machine. Example, washing machine, knife, etc. सिंपल मशीन वो मशीन होती है जो हमारे काम को ईजी बना लेती है, जिससे हमारा काम बिना ज़्यादा एफर्ट दिए जल्दी से हो जाता है। तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द सिंपल मशीन। फॉर एग्जांपल वॉशिंग मशीन, इसमें हम लोग अपने डर्टी क्लोथ्स डालते हैं और वो फटाफट से बिना ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगाए धुल जाते हैं। सो दिस इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सिंपल मशीन। Now next is question 3. What is energy? Name its different types. Energy is the ability to do the work. Its four types are solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, geothermal energy. Energy, जब भी आप कुछ वर्क करते हो तो वो वर्क करने की जो एबिलिटी है, वो जो ताकत है जिसकी वजह से आप वर्क कर पाते हो, उसको हम एनर्जी बोलते हैं। Question 4. What are the different forms of energy into which solar energy can be changed? वो डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी कौन कौन सी है जिसमें सोलर एनर्जी चेंज की जा सकती है? सोलर एनर्जी कैन बी चेंज्ड इनटू हीट, लाइट एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी। क्वेश्चन 4. व्हाट इज विंड एनर्जी? आंसर 5. द एनर्जी इन मूविंग एयर इज कॉल्ड द विंड एनर्जी। जब भी एयर मूव करती है तो उसके मूवमेंट की वजह से जो एनर्जी मूवमेंट से जो एनर्जी क्रिएट होती है उसको हम विंड एनर्जी बोलते हैं। Now the last part of our notebook work, HOTS. Question 1. Nana made a beautiful chart. Then she said, I am tired as I have done a lot of work. Is Nana right to say so? Why? Answer 1. No, she is not right because work is said to be done only when we apply force to an object and it moves. जब भी आप कोई काम कर रहे हो उसकी वजह से फोर्स लग रहा है और फोर्स की वजह से वो ऑब्जेक्ट जिस पे आपने काम किया है वो मूव कर रहा है, तब हम कहते हैं कि वर्क डन है, अदरवाइज वर्क डन नहीं माना जाता। क्वेश्चन 2. अर्नव pushes his toy car into motion but it stops after some time. Why? Due to frictional force. फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स जो होता है वो दो सरफेसेस के बीच में होता है और ये फोर्स हमेशा किसी भी चीज़ को स्लो डाउन या स्टॉप रोकने में काम आता है। Question 3. What kind of energy we get from the food we eat? Answer, chemical energy. जब भी हम खाना खाते हैं तो खाना जो है फूड वो ब्रेक डाउन होता है स्टमक में, इंटेस्टाइन में, तो उससे जो एनर्जी निकल उस एनर्जी को केमिकल एनर्जी हम बोलते हैं। So students, with this we have completed all the notebook work also. Now you all complete it in your books and copies. Thank you and have a nice day.